Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to combine notes in Notability. So let's move right into it. First of all, open the Notability app on your iPad or iPhone. Right now I have Windows, so I can't open Notability on my Windows. Then tap and hold the note you want to move pages from. Then tap Edit Note. Tap the page view icon. Tap and hold a page, then drag it to the left edge of the screen until the notes list opens. Drop it into the destination node. Then simply open both nodes in split view. Go to page thumbnails view. Drag pages from one node sidebar into another side. And method 2 is to simply copy and paste content. Open the node you want to copy from. Then simply tap and hold to select the text, image or handwriting and tap simply copy. Open the destination node, tap and hold, then paste the content. You can directly merge two entire nodes automatically in Notability. You must manually move pages or content from one node into another. And that's how you combine notes in Notability. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.